Hey, yo, these people just raced down here to beat me to the store and meet me. Now, I'm about to get his face. Not only am I going to get his face, I'm going to show you the other part where he sped past as I was coming here. Remember, this is what he wanted. Excuse me, do I know you?
You don't look familiar.
You should stop tracking me.
Tracking.
Yeah. You should really stop that, you know what I mean? I got a lot of white supremacists tracking me and you're one of them. Please stop. Please stop now. That's what I'm gonna tell you. Please stop now.